Welcome back guys, this is Nikhil and in this video we will discuss about a Python package for easy access to up-to-date coronavirus, also known as COVID-19 cases data. To get the updates about COVID-19 cases, we need to install a package called Covid19Py. To do that, open your terminal and type pip3 install Covid19Py. Watch carefully, all the letters are uppercase except the last one. As you can see, it's correcting Covid-19. It is successfully installed. After successfully installing the package, open PyCharm IDE. Create a new project. Let's say Corona updates. Create project. Now create a new file, new Python file. Let's say COVID-19 cases. Now let's import Covid19Py. If you get this error, don't need to worry about it. You can install package Covid19Py. As you can see, package installed successfully. Now we need to create a new instance. Say COVID equals to 19Py dot to get the latest results of total confirmed cases, deaths, and recoveries. Create a variable called latest. Type COVID dot get latest. Now print latest variable. Now you can see the confirmed and death cases. Confirmed, which are 3.7 million cases, and deaths are 2,63,831. We can also rank the results by confirmed deaths or recovered cases. Let's see how. Type locations COVID.get location, rank by, let's say deaths. Now print locations, and now let's run the program. As we can see, the highest deaths are from US. So the highest deaths are 73,431 cases. We can get all the details with one command. Let's say equals to COVID dot get all. Now print now run the program. As you can see, all equals to you'll be getting all the data. So that's it for the video, guys.
I'm in love with the cocoa.